Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. I feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you.
Today I'm presenting you to this amazing, beautiful car. It's the Jaguar XK, guys, from Kinsmart. Yes, so today we're gonna unbox this Jaguar XK. Okay, the first question is, where's the XKR? Where's the XKS with the large spoiler and those cool wide body kits? No, you know, let's hold that for a second. I know those things are cool, but just look at the XK. I mean, what's wrong with it? The design is simply superb. It's a very simplistic design with all the elegant, slick body graphics or whatever. It really looks good, guys. I mean, I feel that this is a really underrated Jaguar, and its comfort is also nice. I don't know, I haven't experienced it. Okay, anyways, guys, this is such a cool detailed car from Kinsmart. It is really good. And yeah, let's just unbox it. But before that, I just gotta talk about the previous video which I uploaded. That was the Hot Wheels versus the Major Reg, guys. Of course, you had to watch the comparison. For the people who watched it, thanks. And I hope you have subscribed to my channel to that. So for the people who have not, check it out. It'll be up on the screen right here. So don't worry about the comparisons. There's more coming up, so don't worry. Anyways, if you want to check it out, it'll be in the HW playlist. And do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, cause I'm posting memes. Of course, everybody does love some memes to laugh, you know? Okay, guys, so why don't we just get on with the unboxing? Here we come. Is this damn thing not opening? Oh, it's taped right there. Oh, okay. Getting these things off is also kind of tough, guys, so make way for the Jag. Yes, as it is out of the box. Yes, guys, the XK is out of the box, and it's actually pretty nice, guys. Slick design. The body is so much slippery yeah, because of its design. And looking at its front end, this is how it looks. So as I told you, it is really beautiful. And yeah, you can see the Jaguar logo right here. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, and the light might be shabby over here, but it's clear out here. That's because of the light's reflection. Don't mind that. Anyways, looking at the wheels. Okay, totally forgot about them. This is actually better than the BMWs as this is more detailed. Let me show you the BMWs. Yeah, shabby. It's not so cool. I mean, yeah, the grips on this, I mean, the tire treads are pretty detailed, but still, it shouldn't have been. It should have been like the Jags. Yeah, anyways, moving on to the side profile. Pretty nice side right there. Pretty simple, actually. This is how it looks with the doors open. Nah, that looks so cool. And here is the back end. You have the Jaguar nameplate with the XK badging and the 4.2 badging. Of course, that's a V8. And the Jaguar logo too. Then this is how it looks at the bottom. You have chromed exhaust. Thank you, Kinsmart, for that. And yeah, this is how it looks at the bottom. This is actually a 1/38 scale, guys. That means it's small. Yeah, and you have the Jaguar XK Coupe right here. Kinsmart, made in China. Yes, okay. And the cars in the background are actually 1/36 scale, but they're from Kinsmart. I don't know why did they make that size difference. Here it is, the pullback action. All right, now let's go for the info. So now let's talk about the Jag. Okay, first let's talk about its engine, guys. Yes, moving on to its engine. Yeah, there's only one option. 4.2 liter V8, which is a naturally aspirated, nothing else. Anyways, moving forward, the transmission, guys. The transmission, you don't get a manual, you get an automatic, and that's a 6-speed one, guys. So it's called the ZF6HP26. Sounds like a CD player to me. Well, going forward, the horsepower, guys. The horsepower the engine produces is 300 brake horsepower. That's I guess back in 2006, it wasn't so bad. Well, going for the top speed, guys, it is actually limited to 155 miles per hour, but rumor has it that if you actually take out that limiter, it might cross 170. Well, yeah, rumors are rumors. Anyways, going for the acceleration time, it's about 5.9 seconds, which is, and again, average. Well, going for the body style, guys, that's the last thing. That's two-door coupe, obviously. So that's the info, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So now for the ratings. Okay, looking at all of its looks and details, here it comes. Let the drums roll. Okay, I give it an 8.5 out of 10. Yes, an 8.5. It deserves an 8.5. Okay, guys, so comment your ratings down below. I'll check them out and tell me how this car looked and talk about it in the comment box. Okay, I'll answer to all the comments, guys, don't worry. Anyway, so yeah, I just forgot to show one more thing, guys. The interior. Yes, of course, the interior of the car. I totally forgot to show you guys that. Yeah, this is how it looks. Not pretty, not so cool, but it is actually nice. That is according to me. I don't know according to you. Well, yeah, guys, this is the driver's side of it. Well, yeah, here it is, the black steering wheel and the rest of it. Okay, guys, so that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button down there and also hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. For the people who don't have the weekend, sorry. Anyways, see ya. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.